Thanks a lot, the artist team, for conducting this unique Manyata program along with Foxy.
Modules have been developed in Manyata that it is so easy to learn for them, and they're learning it is in a correct manner. And the initial programs, Dr. Hema Divakar has articulated the program so well, so that her aim is to avoid the barriers. See, we have to educate this paramedical staff, means we have to go to their level, we have to reach their level, their capacity of understanding, and the teaching and the modules are framed like that. So this is one important thing to overcome the barrier, suiting the
ನಮಗೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಸೇವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ ನಾವು ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ.
ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ನಿಮ್ದು?
ಪ್ರೋಟೋಕಾಲ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಮಾನ್ಯತಾ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಆದಾಗಿಂದ ನಮ್ದು ಒಂದು ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಇದೆ, ಲೇಬರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾನ್ಯತಾದು ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಟ್ಟಿದೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದೇ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ ಬಂದ್ರು ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ನೋಡಿ ಏನ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಅದನ್ನ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇದು ಲೇಬರ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಅನ್ನೋ ತರ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನೋ ಈ ತರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಡೆಲಿವರಿ
all were helpful, ma'am. And these charts were very for ma'am. Simply understandable charts were there, ma'am, which were not made us to get in confusion, ma'am, because the flow charts and all, ma'am, it helped us to understand the systematic way of working, functioning, those all, ma'am. This communication and all, ma'am. So along with that,
very high in our facility. So yes, definitely they may not be able to give. Actually, ideally, is one-to-one care is very essential. But nowadays, so much we have told them about this respectful maternal care, and so they have become more aware about this. And especially after I allowed them to undergo a Manyata training, and they have become quite aware about it. So definitely it is a challenging, but